Hey guys, how you doing today? Quick update on the first responder group build. Um, I know there's a lot of other group builds going on right now, and what I said I'd prefer if you started out with a new kit, but I know there's a lot of builds going right now. So if you've got something you've already started or something that you're kind of on hold with or whatever, um, go ahead, use it, no problem. Because yeah, like I said, there's a lot of other group builds going right now, and a lot of people don't have time to start something completely new, or they may have already started working on a first responder vehicle and you know um, would be able to use it this way. So yeah, that's fine. Like I said, if you already started something, go for it. So anyway, guys, make comments down below if you plan to join. And like I said, it starts July 1st. So definitely keep me posted, and make sure to use the hashtag first responder GB. So thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.